Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to Ablon Public School at home. So in last class I told you about connectors. Okay children? So what are connectors here? Words that connect two sentences or two parts of a sentence without changing their meaning are called connectors. Hope you all have completed exercise also. Now today's we are going to learn SR 12, 13, 14 and 15. So before start this, let's learn some good habit. Here, look into this picture. Wash your hands before and after meal. Children, we all should wash our hands before and after meal. It is very necessary for us because we touch so many things in time to time. So many of the times many germs, small bacteria come to our hands, and if we will not wash our hands before meal, then it will go into our mouth and make us ill. So it is very necessary to wash hands before and after meal. Make a habit of it. Now let's come on our topic. Open SR 12, page number 17. It is South Africa's hero. The title is South Africa's hero. So the Dutch and the British had colonized. What is the meaning of colonized here? Colonized means settle in a place and take control over the place. Means just settle down a place and take all authority to in our hand. That's called colonized South Africa. So the Dutch and British had captured the South Africa. Many black South Africans were forced under their control. Over the years there was apartheid in South Africa. The word apartheid means the whites and non-whites having different rules. So apartheid means whites have different rules and blacks have different rules. The blacks could not vote. Means black skin color person could not vote. They had to live separately from the whites. Separately means away, away from the whites, not together. The black people were in the majority, but they had no rights. The blacks had poor schooling and poor housing system. They could work only as servants. What is the meaning of servants here? So a person who performs duties for other persons. So Mandela worked for justice. He was working in a law office. He became president of a party fighting for equality. The quality of oneness, the state of being equal or the same. Mandela was arrested many times, but he continued fighting for the rights of non-whites. He believed everybody should be treated equally. Now let's move to next page, page number 18, SR number 13. Mandela was once caught and found responsible for trying to bring the government down. He was sent to prison. Prison means jail. Mandela's life in prison was very tough and hard. Over a period of time, Mandela became a leader among the prisoners. Prisoners means, yes, person who live in jail, Kadi. He demanded rights for the prisoners. Mandela's family and friends led protests and boycotts. Protest means rallies, dharnas. They worked outside the country to make Mandela's struggle known everywhere. Mandela had inspired people to demand an end to apartheid. Apartheid, I told you. So they all collected at one place and they demanded to boycott apartheid system. Other countries pressured South Africa to give up apartheid. Locally, blacks and whites led protest against the government. So finally, apartheid was abolished in South Africa in 1991. Mandela, now come on, next page. So Mandela spent more than 25 years in jail. He fought to improve the lives of people who were suffering from injustice. He was greeted as a hero on his release. In 1993, he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his work. So, children, in April 1994, South Africa elected Nelson Mandela as the country's first black president. Okay, first black president. He brought people of different races, whites as well as non-whites together. Means in the olden time, blacks were separate, whites were separate. They had different rules, different duties, and different housing and societies. But Nelson Mandela fought for them and brought them together, whites and non-whites together. So many blacks did not agree to this and disliked the idea, but Mandela believed in promoting a message of forgiveness and equality. What is the mean forgiveness? The process of forgiving, किसी को माफ कर देना. Okay children, now come on, let's next page. Here concept time. So that in that I will tell you reasoning connectors. So connectors that join two sentences by giving a reason are called reasoning connectors. Means that join two sentences with a reason, okay, by giving a reason. So connector, look here, because, as, since. So these are used to give reason for an action. Means whatever they are doing, so why they are doing, they are telling us. Like because, like Hemant was late because he was stuck in traffic. So Hemant was getting late, that is why he was telling the reason he was stuck in traffic. Okay children, Rekha was late as she forgot about her flight timing. Manish was late since he did not know the route to the airport. So here they all are telling the reason why they got late. Okay, so these are called reasoning connectors. Okay children, now revise this concept and complete your exercise related to this concept in your workbook. Very neat and clean form. Now, so complete your work and take care of yourself and your elders at home. Thank you. Have a great day.